Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Servo Digital Learning. Students, as we have started practice set number 49, so today we'll see example number 2. So let's start. The sides of some triangles are given below. These are the sides. There are 3 sides of a triangle. So their measurements are given. Find out which ones are right angle triangles. So among these all 5 triangles, which one are the right angle triangle? So there is a condition. See here now. In the first example, the measurements are 8, 15 and 17. So what we will do in this? Whatever is the biggest number, that we will assume as a hypotenuse. Okay, always the bigger number will assume as a hypo or hypotenuse, and other two as base and height. Otherwise, as you know the formula of the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypo square is equals to base square into height square, or you may say hypo square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So for this example, we will go with the formula side 1 square plus side 2 square, because here they are not mentioned which one is the base or which one is the height, but we know the biggest one is the hypotenuse. Okay, so let's start the solution. First one, to find the whether the given triangle is a right angle triangle or not. Okay, so here example number 1, that is a 8, 15, 17. Yeah. So see the solution here now. First of all, write by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now, what is the Pythagoras theorem, beta? Very good, mashallah, all of you know. Hypo square is equals to, we have formula base square into height square plus base square plus height square, but here we will go with the side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, now here the hypo is the biggest number, that is 17. So keep the value under the hypo square. 17 square is equals to side 1 you assume either 8 or 15. So we will go with side 1 as 8. So it will be 8 square plus side 2. 17 is our hypo, 8 we have taken as a side 1. What is remaining now? 15. So 15 will be our side 2 square. Okay. Now 8 square is very good. 8 is 64 plus 15 square is, if we multiply 15 by the 15 only, the answer is 225. You should learn the squares up till 30, at least 30. Now square of 17, if we find the square of 17, then it comes 289. Now see here 289 as it is. Now see here how much is 64 plus 25? 225. This 5 plus 4 is 9. This 2 plus 6 is 8. And 2 plus nothing is 2. So you can see here hypo square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Since 289 is equals to 29. So the condition is satisfied over here. If the both sides are equal to each other, then the given measurements shows us that it is a right angle triangle. So as they have asked to us, find out which ones are right angle triangles. So here you write, beta, therefore it is a right angle triangle. Okay, very easy. You know the formula. Just keep the value, just find the square, do the addition of this base into height or side 1 plus side 2. Yeah, and just see whether the answer of this LHS left hand side and the RHS, are they equal or not. If it is equal, then the given measurements are shows that it is a right angle triangle. Now see second example. The measurements are 11, 12 and 15. Okay, solution is same by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now write the formula. Hypo square is equals to, very good, side 1 square plus side 2 square. Now give the value. Here the hypo will be 11. No, it is small. 12. No. 15. Okay. So 15 is our hypo. 15 square is equals to, side 1 take as 11 square and side 2 take as 12 square. Now find the square of 15. Just now we have got that is a 225. 11 square is 121 plus 12 square is, very good, mashallah, 144. Okay, now 225 is here. Now 121 plus 144, this 4 plus 1 is 5, this 4 plus 2 is 6, this 1 plus 1 is 2. So 225 is not equal to 265. So here you have written not equal to. This is the symbol of not equal to. So since these LHS and RHS are not equal to each other, therefore it is not a right angle triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. So this type of examples are also very easy. I have confidence that you understood this beta. Okay, and you will be eager to solve the remaining examples. So you can solve in your book beta. Okay, thank you.